Success, it's not a magic, it's a process where you have to work hard and with the smart and proper guidance also. Yes, I am Priyanka Chatterjee. I am the founder of Unify Study. I am telling you that how to crack the UGC NET June 2024. And if you are watching this video later also, then also this video will be helpful because you can see our success stories in front of you. Yes, in December 2023, we got 63 total success from Unified Study. Most of them are computer science students. So, specially I am going to tell about computer science here because I am the teacher of computer science who is teaching computer science from 2020 after passing my UGC NET exam. Yes, and every year so many students are able to pass this exam and they are able to crack this exam. They are doing their job, they are able to settle their life. So how you can do that? For that must watch this complete video and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. Yes, we handle different types of students. Those who are the PG2 student, those who are doing their masters now, they are ongoing students. But if you are there is a break, there is a long gap, or you are housewife or you are working person. Nowadays in colleges it is a big problem that every colleges everyone is asking for NET, because if you are not NET qualified then your salary will be cut down, there your job is not secure. That is a big problem, big issue. Most of the areas, most of the people are facing that issues, and this type of students are coming to Unify Study. Definitely we are helping them. So those who are the students, for you also it is the video. Those who are the working person, you are working in college, so that it is also for you, because here whatever you are watching, most of them you can see all are the person those who are working, those who are housewife, and here some students are also there, those who are currently doing their masters. So according to your area, what to do, how to go ahead. If you don't know anything, then also some students are there, you can see those who got 144, 142, they are also able to crack. Yes, we definitely believe that everyone should crack this exam. How everyone should crack this exam, that is I am going to tell you one by one. You can see our slides and you can see the numbers. Yes, 198, 198, 190, 188, 180. How these numbers are possible? These numbers are possible because of some smart strategy and some hard work. Most of the computer science students, those who are getting very high score, from my previous experience I am telling you, those who are getting near about 200 marks, mostly they are preparing for gate also. Yes, now the toppers are, till now toppers interview are not coming in this channel. Why? Because most of our students are preparing for gate also and they are busy for gate, and that's why they told that yes, after the 10th we will be free and then we will talk for the toppers talk and all. So this is the one important point. If you are preparing for UGC NET, don't focus on only UGC NET. You have to focus on gate questions paper also, gate pattern also. Because computer science question day by day focusing on the gate pattern. So if you are preparing yourself as per the gate category, as per the gate level, you are following gate questions also, then it is very easy to score the high score. If you are current student, if you are ongoing student, if you know that yes, I need high score, I want to go for JRF. So those who are preparing for JRF, for them it is the trick that yes, you have to prepare yourself for the gate. Yes, if you already crack the gate, then also definitely it will be helpful. Prepare yourself as per the gate standard, previous year's question of gate, solve it, and consistently every day try to focus on, try to every day each and every unit wise you have to study. Now another category of the students, those who need that, no, I don't want JRF, I need to crack only the exam, that is assistant professor, and you are in general category. So if you are in general category like this, this is the cutoff mainly more than 160 to 170. Your target should be 180. I will tell you your target should be 180. If you are able to focus on 180, then you are safe in assistant professor job for computer science. Means assistant professor, as a qualified assistant professor, you can crack NEET. So for that, what to do? For that, if you are not going to the gate level also, it's not required. All the gate question not required. But some of the gate question, and with that, especially the UGC NET current years, that is 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020, these pattern, because nowadays the pattern is changing. Theoretical question, conceptual question, matching type question, they are asking more. So according to that analysis, if you are preparing and if you are doing focusing on those previous years question, according to that, if you are preparing yourself every day, daily, it is not like that before 1 month I will study, you cannot do. Because if you are working, if you are housewife, if there is a long gap, then definitely consistent study is required, right? Those who are ongoing student, they are different because they are already ongoing student. So if they are learning 1 month also, in here only some students are there, those who get 172, 174, they learn only for 1 week before exam, and they get a 170, 172 also, because they are ongoing student, they are doing masters. If there is a break, if you are in this category, then what you can do? Every day regularly, 1 hour, 2 hour, whenever you are getting time, do consistent study. Consistently, if you are studying, if you are focusing on each and every unit one by one, taking each and every unit, complete the concept, do PYQs, and then do revision, attempt mock test, then easily you can get it. Now the next category of the students, those who are in OBC category, OBC or any other special category. So your cutoff is normally coming in this category of 150 to 160. So I will tell you, if you fix your target 160, then you are safe as assistant professor, then you are safe for assistant professor. These are the students, those who are in this category, coming in this category, but still they are also doing hard. Definitely, I am not telling you that they are not working. Definitely they are also working hard, because according to each and every one have different capability. According to your capability, you have to set your goal. It's obvious. If your capability is there, I can reach to 120, then you can fix your target 150, 160. You cannot fix your target directly 200. It is not practical. So for you, what you can do? For you, I will suggest you that you can focus on your easy area, quickly solvable area. Some students are getting scared about math. So if you are getting scared about math, then other than math also there are some subject where where you can get good score. So some areas are there, what a theoretical area, easy area, like in computer science, if I am telling you DBMS, operating system, software engineering. Nowadays AI is there, computer graphics is there. Those are the areas, are easy area. So first you can start with your easy area where you can collect the marks, and after that slowly you can go for, in the data structure algorithm also, data structure part is easy, some algorithms are easy, no need to go to high level. Each and every unit, if you are able to find out the easy area, what are the easy area, what you can do, those areas also if you are doing, then also you will be able to crack this exam. You can see in front of you, all of them are coming to this category and they are able to crack it. You can see here total 63 students are there. Each and every one belongs to different area, different perspective. Everyone have different perspective, but we are handling all those students because we know that how to handle each and every one. Personalized guidance is required. Someone is capable for this one, I cannot push that you have to achieve this one. It is not required, right? So personalized guidance, personalized planning, personalized preparation, personalized strategy, everything is important. So according to this, I am telling you, you can go ahead like this way. So you can start with this channel. Just go to the playlist. In the playlist you can see so many videos are already there. If you see this video, that is 45 days crash course video that I took previously, last year 45 days. Here total 97 videos are there, 97 videos. So if you are covering these 97 videos, then also so many important concepts will be clear. Here in paper 1 you can see previously we have created this crash course. Here 53 videos are there, you can follow that. Already for June 2024 we have started this foundation series for paper 1. It's going on in this channel. 10 a.m. every day Tulasi ma'am is taking class. I will also start taking class. Each and every subject wise all the playlists are available. Don't wait for that when ma'am will upload new video. New video is not required. There are so many old videos there. You can start learning. We are planning, I am planning to upload the different types of videos, because same video uploading again and again I really don't believe, I really don't like it, because whatever is done, why again I will repeat those things. So I will request you, try to do the concept from these all the playlists, complete the concept, and I will focus on the PYQs, previous year's question mock test. Other than that, definitely you can come to our app. Definitely install our app, Unify Study app. Here free mock tests are available. Previous year's free mock test available. Free study material also available. So definitely you can utilize this app. This Unify Study app will be helpful for you. We are going to provide you more free content, free mock test here in this app. Install the app, regularly attempt mock test, PYQS mock test. Regularly attempt it. Other than PYQS also I am planning to provide you some free mock test. And some paid mock test will be also there with very minimal charges. And most of all, those who are able to go for paid course, it is very nominal charge. You can see our charges. That is, if you are going for combo batch, in the combo batch here 6999, that is very nominal charges. We have started 15th December. We are going to end this course on June. Our target is within 10 to 15 we are going to end according to exam date. Here foundation, complete course, practice course, everything is going on. Whenever you are taking subscription, with that subscription you can watch the previous recorded classes and you can join the ongoing classes also. PDF, mock test, test series, everything included here. Everything. If you are taking that, after that nothing, no need to worry. Till exam, just you have to go ahead. If you are interested for only computer science, then you can take this one, computer science. If you are interested for only paper 1, then you can take this one. But if you are taking combo, then with the combo paper 1 and paper 2 both are included here. So this is a option. Sometimes we are giving the offer also. Now the offer is not there, but every month offer is coming. You can go for offer, you can take the offer, but just connected with us so that you can get your all the update. And if you want to see yourself in this list, like you can see total 63 learners list, and most of them are computer science and they are joined with our channel. So you can understand that yes, if from one channel only 63 students can pass this exam, means it's not a very less number, right? Out of these 63, some members are there, those who are from other subject like education and some home science, some subjects are there. Because just recently we have started paper 1 in this channel, and that's why all other students are also joining with us. So for computer science, I am taking the responsibility. You can do it. Whatever you are, wherever you are, if you are student, if you are in college, if you are doing other job, if you are not satisfied with your job, or if you are a housewife, if there is a long gap, whatever, I am here for your personalized plan. I will provide you each and every one. I am handling like that way so that everyone have different capability according to you. You can plan. So start with us, join with us, and start watching all the classes. Go to playlist. You can also do it. Thank you. See you again in my next video.